Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into 3Commas. 3Commas app is designed to help users automate trades, track performance and manage multiple exchange accounts in one place. But before you can take advantage of these features, you need to log in to your account safe. So the good news is that logging is very simple and only takes a minute. So first you need to follow the step and open to your 3Commas app on a device. Over here on the bottom, you can find there's an option where you can either continue with your Apple, Google or Facebook. As I'm going to select to this continue with email there. Over here, you'll get into this login interface here. Simply type down your email address and select sign in on the bottom. And that is it. You need to simply slide to complete the puzzle over here as well. And that is it. This is how you can log into your 3Commas app on your device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.